Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on your Facebook notifications. So go to your Facebook account and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. Once you're here, tap on settings on the upper right and tap on profile settings. Once you're here, you'd want to scroll down and under notifications, you can tap on notification settings. And as you can see, mine is currently off. So what you want to do to turn it on is to just toggle this here. And as you can see, it says notifications are no longer muted. So here you would be able to receive notifications from Facebook. And here's a list of all the types of notifications that you will receive. And once you're okay with that, then there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.